everyone, this is Madjennsy. Welcome back to a new tutorial. These are the deep blue elegant nails, perfect for moms. Yes, that's right. If you got any relatives that want to have their nails done and they're happen to visit you sometime or anything like that, you can surprise them with this design. Perfect, and it's very simple to do. We get started off with a base coat and Unforgettably Blue by OPI. It is like the deep blue color, I love it. Of course, up to you what kind of blue you would like to use. In my case, I think this one is very deep. I like it. Now, we're gonna paint full the pinky and the thumbnail. For the rest of the nails, we're gonna leave the half moon unpainted. Just like so. Remember to add 2 coats if needed, or even more, it depends on the nail polish. Now I'm using Sally Hansen Diamond Strength. This is Bright to Be. It's supposed to be a very beautiful color. And now we're gonna be using this nail brush that I just selected it for nail polish. Make sure to use a nail polish remover to clean up this brush, because otherwise it's gonna harden and then you won't be able to remove it very well and it might actually get ruined. So what you want to do here is to create this silver line. At the beginning, in the first 2 coats, it's gonna look like very light and pale, but once you add a couple more coats and you let it dry in between, it's gonna look very, very nice. So as you can see, it doesn't matter if it actually looks very well aligned, because once you add the silver line, it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look like you use something, you know, like a nail tape. I think it's a very nice detail. So it's coming together. Try not to overload the brush and make sure to clean up now that it's fresh or you regret later. So this is how it should look like. Very pretty, right? Now for the next step, we're gonna make some edges. Yes, I'm using a liner nail art brush like that, and that's it. Very straightforward, and with that we would almost finished the design. I recommend, if you want to get the fast free quick dry by China Glaze, if you want to speed up the drying process. And of course, use your favorite top coat. I'm adding some square rhinestones, but this is also optional. I think exactly the intersection point where the 2 lines crosses is the perfect spot for a rhinestone. It looks beautiful, I love it. I think it's amazing detail. It is like an encrusted gemstone or something like that. I might feel it looks like a queen design or something like it. Alright, I hope you really like it. It's very simple and easy to do. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.